Hello friends, so we are back with a new concept of how light scatters out of a prism. Have you seen some light coming out of that prism? It is very beautiful that 7 lights come out of that piece of glass. Now as we all know, white light is made of 7 beautiful colors. These colors have different frequency or wavelength. Now let us see a prism. When a light passes through a prism at an acute angle, there is always a normal to the wall of that prism. Now these 7 colors turn to a different angle due to certain reason and scatters away. As we know, these 7 colors have different wavelengths. Red light has largest wavelength and the violet one has smallest wavelength. Now let us talk about rarer and denser medium. Here we can see a rarer and denser and then a rarer medium. Now all these 7 rays when passes through a rarer to denser medium, that red ray is colliding with only 4 particles. Again, the yellow ray is colliding with 6 particles and the violet ray is colliding with 8 particles. So more particle do you collide, the lesser your speed get. Have you seen the fastest man on the earth? Usain Bolt. Look how fast he runs. Leaving all the men behind, he is the fastest on the land. But the same man, when he walks in water, see how hard he's trying to move forward, but he can't run that fast. See, he's like a tortoise in water. Why? Because he's in denser medium now. Similarly, when light ray passes into a denser medium from a rarer medium, of course, its speed gets slowed. Now, due to that colliding of the more particles, some rays get a little bit slower, some rays get more slower and more slower. So depending upon their speed lessen, different rays will turn towards the normal so that they save time. As we all know, normal is the shortest distance between 2 points. So now in this case, the red light that collides with lesser particles turns less, yellow more and violet even more because that ray was colliding with more particles, so its speed lessens. But due to the shape of prism, if the light ray has turned toward the normal and it has to move through more medium, so the ray keep turning towards the normal. So at the end of the prism, light ray will come out from denser to rarer. The ray will turn away from the normal. So here you can see red light is a little bit turned downward. Again, yellow more and violet even more. So here you can see the 7 colors are scattering even more. That is how a white light scatters out of a prism. Thank you all.